Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have NKN daily update. We are going to discuss furthermore the price action of this coin and therefore we are going to make a price prediction and a technical analysis. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with the automated signal selling and buying opportunity system, because you will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. This is something revolutionary, but it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more, unfortunately. And you can join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. And of course, we help each other there every day. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see right now some major support levels. Starting the Fibonacci from this bottom right here, back on 26 cents to this top at 47 cents. I wanted to find some major support and resistance levels. I will explain how are the resistance levels. Right now the support is at 36.7. You can see we found some huge buying pressure and a little bit of a sell pressure right there. We went up, guys, from here till the top almost 81%, and this was just in few hours. This is something amazing, okay? But at the same time, it is a bit risky to have such a huge pump up in such a short term. We will discuss everything there. And of course, you can see that we have the 34 cents, which is the 0.618 as our major support level around there, guys. 36.7, 39, 42.2, and we have the 52 cents as our next price target. We will see if we can achieve that, and I will show you something amazing for now. If I draw the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, I will find major resistance levels. And here I will go from this top right here down to this bottom we formed. And you can see that the 0.618 is exactly upon the minus 0.236. That's the Fibonacci numbers, guys. They are amazing only if you know how to use them. Okay, so let's go a little bit to the MACD. On the MACD, you can see that we had a bullish cross. Of course, we would go so fast upwards. You can see the bullish cross between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line. And of course, what we want here is to go even higher to these levels right there, because that would mean we would be in an impulsive wave. We don't care if we have bearish crosses as soon as we are going upwards on the 4-hour frame on trading. You're right. So you can see that the volume here increased so much for NKN. It was something amazing. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame, to the RSI. And on the RSI, you will see if we follow a pattern like this, then we are absolutely fine and we are on an impulsive wave. If we don't and we correct from there, then this was a fake pump. Okay, so we have to be a little bit careful and we have to see some things for now. The commodity channel index is in an extreme overbought situation, not the same for the stochastic RSI, that it is not in an overbought situation, and though we can go even higher. Okay, so you can see the 20-day EMA is above the 50-day EMA for quite some time right now, and it only has gone up to the 50-day EMA. The price only has gone up to the 50-day EMA. Here it went a little bit beyond, but you can see we found some huge buying pressure and we went so fast upwards. It was something amazing, guys. Let's go now to the daily frame, and on the daily you can see that the RSI is in an overbought situation. If we make the same pattern as the 4-hour frame, then yes, we are in an in an impulsive wave and we can go further. The only thing that worries me a little bit is this huge sell pressure. The upper shadow of the candlestick is a little bit huger than I would like to, because this means we had some huge sell pressure right there. And I really hope that this doesn't mean something. It is the only thing that worries me after this price action for NKN. If we go to the Bollinger Bands, you will see that we had the squeeze point right there. What is the squeeze point? When the top top line of the Bollinger Bands is getting closer to the bottom line. We don't have volume, we don't have anything, but we expect something good to happen. If we get this squeeze point right here, we expect something good to happen, and therefore you can see that we went all the way upwards. We had a little bit on the daily frame, a downward situation right there, and then we immediately went upwards for NKN. Okay, so you can see that we had some huge sell pressure right here. We want to see if we can go even higher. Let's see the commodity channel index. The commodity channel index is in an overbought situation. It is quite for some time right now, it's quite upwards. The stochastic RSI, it is the same right here. We were in an overbought, now we are not, but we are in high levels, as you can see. The MACD right there, if you want to see, we can go even higher, and it looks amazing. This is what we want to see for the MACDs, guys, on the daily frame. Blue line staying above the signal line, and of course going all the way upwards. It is something very good, very cool right there for NKN. And you can see now, I will go actually now to the SSL hybrid, and as I go to the SSL hybrid, I will close a little bit the Bollinger Bands. You can see that we had a selling opportunity here before we had a buying opportunity there, according to the SSL hybrid. But the truth is, guys, the SSL hybrid can find easily the buying opportunities. It has some problems on the selling opportunities to know exactly when to sell. Okay, so let's go to NKN Bitcoin chart. You can see that we had this huge pump up here too, and we went all the way upwards. Okay, so this means it looks actually a little bit identical to the Tether USD. Sometimes it can happen, guys. The altcoin against Bitcoin looks identical to the altcoin against Tether USD chart. But right now, you can see that it looks identical. We had this huge pump up. That's why we could outperform Bitcoin, because right now we went all the way upwards. We could outperform many altcoins in just few hours. So the next step right here is maybe if we can surpass this resistance level right here, or if we can go above this level, this certain level, the 0.4011. You get this price level because you divide the Bitcoin's price, the NKN's actually priced to Bitcoin's price. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see huge sell pressure. The upper side of the candlestick is a bit huge. It is a little bit huger than expected, guys. That is the only thing that worries me here, because we had some huge sell pressure on the daily, and when this happens, we can't usually go above the upper saddle. Usually, right? It can always happen, and we can go upwards, but usually when you see this huge pressure right here, it is a moment that we see that, okay, we can't go above this certain level, we need to go down, slow down a bit, and just go down. Okay, for NKN, that is, we had some huge sell pressure right here. You can see the huge sell pressures where we go afterwards. With every huge sell pressure, we go down. Huge sell pressure here, we went down. Again here, guys, on the 4 hour, on the daily frame, we went down. So we can go now to the price analysis, and we will discuss a little bit about what this sell pressure means, because guys, most of the times, as I've told you before, it is not so good that we have a sell pressure. Although on the 4 hour frame it seems very little, on the daily frame you can see it is more. Okay, so I will just delete these price labels right here, and you can see that the 0.618 is upon the minus 0.236, the 52 cents. Can we go there, guys? Can we go there? Yes, we can. I'm a little bit skeptical about this sell pressure right there. As I've told you before, I believe when this happens that the coin doesn't have the strength to go above the 46 cents, for example, for NKN. Okay, the volume here is decreasing a little bit. As you can see, we had some huge volume right there on for the 4 hour frame, and you can see that the RSI now stays a little bit at the high levels. That is good. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see it crossing down and going down below the 30. We don't want to see the commodity channel index going down all the way below the minus 100. We don't want to see the stochastic RSI going below 20. A strong Bitcoin will help us to go even higher, because if we keep outperforming Bitcoin, this will mean, guys, that yes, we can go higher and therefore outperform Bitcoin. In case we correct a little bit, you know exactly, I will remove all the drawings right now and I will show you again the support levels for the NKN, and you can see that we have the 0.236, which is at 42 cents, but we are now way below the 42 cents. 39, we are now to 36 cents around there, guys, between 36 and 39, 36.5, and you can see the 34 cents for the 0.618. If we go down from the 34 cents, guys, and we cross it down, this will mean that we are probably go way down to the 26 cents again. But if we don't do that, then this means all good for NKN. We can go and retest maybe the next price target, which is the 52 cents. It is very likely that we might find some buying pressure right here around this area, and then we go all the way upwards, for example here, guys, and we do that. And of course this won't happen by the time I make the video and you see it, right? It might take some couple of hours, 2 days, 3 days, or maybe a little more, maybe a little less. But anyway, guys, this is something that might be done. If we found some buying pressure at the 0.618, then this means the altcoin has the strength needed and the market will go there, pushing the price upwards. Okay, so it is very important to hold the 34 cents and of course the 0.786, because it was the previous high. So we have some major support levels to look for: the 34 cents and the 30.6, 31 cents, around there for NKN. The next target is the 52 cents for NKN. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will get easy profits even on bearish markets. This is something amazing. You will also get educational videos and personal guidance, and join the Telegram group chat. Both of these links are in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you for watching. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.